Someone is selling Claude API access for 90% off and using your private prompts to train rival AI models. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I am Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, June 25th, 2026. In AI News today, Chinese gray market networks are selling Claude API access at 90% off, and the catch is brutal. They're using stolen credentials and payment fraud to undercut Anthropic's pricing, then harvesting every prompt and reasoning trace you send, reselling that data to rival Chinese AI labs. Your private work becomes their training fuel. Also from Anthropic, Claude Code just got a new / command called UltraPlan. Type it, and Claude sends your planning task to Anthropic servers where Opus drafts the full plan remotely. Your local terminal stays completely free the whole time. It's a small workflow change that removes a real friction point for developers running complex AI-assisted coding sessions. In AI productivity news, Notion just opened a beta that lets external AI agents, like Claude and Cursor, work directly inside your shared workspaces. You can @mention them like a teammate, assign tasks, and have them respond or edit files without ever leaving Notion. It's a meaningful step toward AI agents becoming first-class members of collaborative knowledge work. In AI research news, a new paper introduces Agent as a Router, a framework that turns model routing into its own learning agent. Instead of hard coding, which AI model handles which task, this agent tracks past performance outcomes and iteratively picks the cheapest model that can still get the job done. For multi-model coding pipelines, that's a real cost and quality unlock. Also from GitHub, a director there built 40 separate AI automations into her workday using GitHub Copilot, covering everything from meeting prep to strategic decision making. Her takeaway wasn't just that she saved time. She says offloading the cognitive load of routine tasks made her a genuinely better leader. It's a compelling real-world blueprint for AI, adoption at the executive level. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about gray market AI data risks in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.